Hi there, April Costa here. I'm a mother of 4 and a grandmother of 11 grandkids, and number 12 is on the way. And I'm a stay-at-home grandmother teaching my littlest grandchildren some preschool. If you can see behind me, I have my preschool wall here. I joined Joy Anderson's 14-day challenge for online preschool, and that's how I got this. She had told us how to set up our wall. And I also want to talk to you right now about her preschool in a box. Okay, I was kind of sitting on the fence for quite some time, kept saying, oh, no, no, no. And then finally one day I just sat there and I'm really looking at it, and I watched the videos again of Joy explaining what her preschool in the box was. And I finally just looked at my hubby and I said, you know what? I need this. So I bought Preschool in a Box. And not only did I get the Preschool in the Box with the first curriculum, but I had also, bought the second year curriculum. So if you're sitting on the fence and you're thinking to yourself that no, you don't really need this, you do need this. It is full of so many different things that you can do with the kids. There's themes, there's letter of the week, and let me tell you, my little grandkids, they have been having so much fun with this. And anytime that I pull out the curriculum, they get so excited and they're like, oh, look, she's got her book again. So, you can do this online as well. I've done a few of my online videos, and I just take the letter of the week. So like this week here, we've been doing the letter A. So like in the first curriculum, that's astronomy. The second one, it's all about me. How do you not like this, you know? So Joy has these little cards that have the letter A's, all the letters on them, and the children will trace with their finger. And there's just so much. I mean, come on. Don't be like me. Don't sit there on the fence. Get off that fence. Get out there and get your preschool in the box. You will not be unsatisfied. You will be so satisfied and so happy that you had gotten it. And to hear the little ones say, oh, she's got her book again. I mean, come on. All right, guys, get the preschool in the box. You're going to love it.
Hey, have you heard about Preschool in a Box? It's literally the one thing I wished I had when I started my preschool 10 years ago. It would have saved me so much time and so much money. Instead, I did the wrong things at the wrong time. Waste of time, I tell you. I can't wait to tell you all about Preschool in a Box. All the things I wish I had, like curriculum. Oh my gosh, can I even tell you how many hours I spent every single night on Pinterest and Facebook groups and the blogs and Google trying to find activities to do for lessons the next day. Or forms. What the heck was I supposed to give to my preschool families? What was I supposed to include in a policies and procedures handbook? Or marketing. How was I supposed to sign up kids? I had a preschool to fill and I had money that I needed at the end of the month, but how was I going to get that tuition, right? All of those components are inside of Preschool in a Box and a whole lot more. I want to get you Preschool in a Box. I've got an exclusive opportunity for you. When you join our Preschool All-Stars membership, not only will you be surrounded by myself and hundreds of preschool owners cheering you on during your journey, you get an exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. I am talking out of this world. When people see it, they kind of lose their mind. They're so excited, ready to grab it right away. I can't wait to get you your exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. Just join Preschool All-Stars. Click the link in the description or go to preschoolallstars.com. It's gonna be like Christmas.